Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashley here. Welcome back! I have another unboxing for you from SquppyDawg3D Designs from Etsy. This company has to be one of my all-time favorite new diamond painting tray companies. So I have developed quite a relationship with the owners, and they have agreed to sponsor our giveaway, well, one of the giveaways for hashtag FreeToBeMe 2022. If you have not heard of the hashtag FreeToBeMe 2022 collaboration, it is going on between me and DpAddictionAdventures, and it's going on right now. I'll put the information in the description below. But they have sent me this tray here to show off their brand new color, which they call Galaxy. And their trays, let me tell you, are incredibly impressive. They're very, very smooth, which, is a big issue with 3D printed trays usually, with the roughness, and they don't slide very well. Another thing I like about their trays is that the lid kind of just snaps in, so they're still protected, but you don't really have to fight with it. Another thing is their stopper kind of slides straight in rather than having to fit it through a hole. You kind of just set it in there flat. You see how smooth that is? And the lines on the trays are so perfectly spaced. It makes it really easy to actually shake and line up your drills. I absolutely love their stuff. And I'm very excited to do a giveaway. So this tray here is not one of the giveaway items. They sent me this to show off the new color, which is Galaxy. And then the lid just sets right in there, super easy and comfortable. And of course, I will have their shop listed in the description below as well. So be sure to head on over to Etsy and check out their brand new Galaxy color. They have all sorts of amazing other things too. And now I'm going to show everyone the giveaway items. So if you didn't see my first SquppyDawg3D Design unboxing, one of their trademark items, which is totally innovative, is their dog bone item. So they sent me the snow color dog bone, and what that does is if you diamond paint on a drafting table and you're like me and you don't like to hold your tray with your hands, this dog bone is a cover minder. It sets on that inclined surface, and then the tray fits perfectly right on top of it without sliding. You can also, keep your pins from sliding off. It's so innovative, and this really impressed me because she diamond paints a lot too. Her name is Sheila, and she heard a need, and she came up with this awesome design, and I just absolutely love that. So we will be doing a giveaway for that snow dog bone I just showed, and also this adorable cover minder trash bin. So they have this, dog theme going on throughout their Etsy store, which I think is so adorable. Oh yeah, they sent this extra, cover minder, which just has their, logo and stuff on it. And, but yeah, the trash bin is like a fire hydrant, and it has tape around it to keep the lid on it. But it comes with those super strong magnets. So it's a cover minder that you can, use while you're diamond painting. And the lid comes off. Yeah, I accidentally dropped it. The lid comes off and you just put your trash drills in it. So that was super adorable. And again, this fire hydrant cover minder trash bin drill thing, trash drill bin, will also be we will also be doing a giveaway with that as well for the hashtag FreeToBeMe 2022. Don't forget to fill out that Google form. I'm telling you, there's all sorts of good stuff. And the event is really cool as well because you don't have to be doing diamond painting or anything specific, something that expresses you. So it's a really awesome collaboration. The next thing they sent for the giveaway is this awesome tray set. So just like the first one I unboxed that I'm keeping, the Galaxy color, this one is called their Crimson color. The fire hydrant was also in the Crimson color as well, but they did send this drill tray set here. It's like a reddish color, super shiny, super sleek, amazing. And they did send the whole Crimson set, so you get the sleek looking tray and the stopper, which again just goes right in there and makes sure the letters are on the inside facing up and just slides right in that groove, and the lid, which just snaps on. So that whole set we will be doing a giveaway for the hashtag FreeToBeMe2022. I absolutely love this tray. I love the color. It's gonna look great like with any painting that you do. And plus it's a huge size. I wouldn't say huge, but it's a really good size. It's kind of like those one white trays, but it's even better. Like it separates the drills a lot easier, lines them up well. And of course they sent me 2 sets of their business cards and their little goodies that I'll also be sending out with the giveaway items to the winners. So don't forget to tune in on this Wednesday, which is July 13th at 7:30 p.m. Central. That's when I will be doing my live stream. And we're going to just be pulling names from that Google form for the hashtag FreeToBeMe2022 collaboration, which the information for that will be in the description below. And if you haven't signed up already, just go ahead and do it. You can join at any time, do any craft. So go ahead and fill out that form as soon as you can so you can, definitely get in for the giveaway that we're going to be drawing for this Wednesday. So again, only requirement is to have that form filled out. So here I'm just going to kind of show you how well those drills line up in this tray. The canvas that I'm working on is the same one. Me and DpAddictionAdventures are working on the same canvas for the collaboration, and it's a full crystal drill. And I just wanted to show you all how well these drills line up in this tray. And the grooves are deep enough to where, like, I have this really tilted and they're not falling out. It's fabulous. So they're all lined up nice. And one thing about trays that drives me crazy is when I multi-place, I kind of set my multi-placer down and then I run it across the grooves of the tray to make sure they're, straight. And I don't like the 3D printed trays where there's kind of bumps and I can't do that. My favorite part about this one is it's so sleek and smooth that I can, place my multi-placer down, which I think I'm about to show you here in a minute. Yeah, here we go. So I place it down and then I kind of run it a little bit just to make sure, they're straight on my multi-placer. So these trays really are amazing. So the giveaway is coming up, drawing for that Wednesday. And yeah, if you haven't checked out their store yet, please check out the description below. They're a new company and I can't wait to see what they come out with next. She did mention she's going to have a few different sizes coming out and they really are good quality products. I wouldn't just say that. Thank you all for being here. If you're brand new, click subscribe, hit that like button and the notification bell on your way out. And yeah, we will see you Wednesday for the drawing. Thanks again. Have a wonderful day.